Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove WordPress from Bluehost in 2025. So first of all, we will start by logging in into your account. So you will have to open your web browser and search for bluehost.com. Once you are on their official website, simply click on this login option in the top right hand corner and log in into your account. Now, once you have successfully logged in, your interface of your Bluehost account manager will look something like this. Now, over here, you need to simply click on the websites tab in the left hand section, and then you need to go to the settings. Now, from the settings page, you need to simply load and click on the settings tab in the horizontal menu, and then you need to simply scroll down to the site management section and click on the remove WordPress option. So on this page, you need to just scroll down a bit, and in the site management, you will see remove WordPress entirely. So click on the remove WordPress option, then it will ask you, are you sure that you want to remove? So select the this option and then click on the option of remove WordPress. So this way you will be able to remove your WordPress from Bluehost. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.